Try not to speak to the microphone. Guys, thank you so much for coming out today. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah!
It was very challenging, I know. You guys really pushed through it. We had some people starting to drop from heat and all sorts of things, batteries. Did you guys go through a lot of rounds today?
Yeah!
I think it was a target-rich environment out there, so it kind of makes sense. Really, to be able to pull off over 500 people with no real issues. There were some real issues, a handful of other things, but you guys are a great group of players, every single one of you, and give yourselves a round of applause for that. You guys are good for Airsoft. You guys are good for the future of Airsoft, so thank you.
Despite the outcome today, everybody fought really hard. Really proud of everyone that came out today. To all the Bob Rebels, it's Bob, congratulations. Everyone had a real good game. We fought really hard. Unfortunately, guys, we'll get them next time, right? That's the fun of Airsoft. We all live to play another day. So, I don't watch a lot of sports, but I do know a good game when I see one. And usually good games are close ones. And this is probably the closest game, besides the guys, that Tim and I have ever had. The first game we won in the last 10 seconds. We barely got the ammo dump back. I really got to hand it to you guys in the Elite Guard. I mean, even though you guys might not have succeeded as much as us, you guys gave us one hell of a hard fight, and I'm really happy you guys came out. So thank you so much. And I realize I'm pointing over here, but there are Elite Guard over here.
Right here.
So once again, I'd like to say thank you so much to all of you guys that came out. It means a lot to me, and I know it means a lot to Tim. And again, I'd like to say thank you to all the members of the United States military that were both commanding on my side, they were commanding on Tim's side, and they were playing on both sides. We're both very much honored that you guys are here. And again, I really have to give an amazing thank you to the folks that own and run and marshal Ballahack Airsoft, because this is probably the coolest airsoft game I've ever been to. This is awesome. Thank you, everyone.
God bless America.
Bob for president!
No, you don't want to do that.
Right, Bob.
Check. All right. You're probably all wondering what I'm going to do now. I'm going to do what I do best at every game. Throw stuff out and give you free stuff.
Yes! That's what I'm standing up there. Possible. Jay!
Alright guys, the way we do the raffle is we start off small and work our way up. So first up, we got a whole bunch of Lancer tactical bayonets. These are pretty awesome because they come with the sheath. So you can put that straight to your gear. 3, 4, 3, 3. Got a winner right there. 4, 3, 9. Alright, new stuff. Alright, Lancer tactical flash bags. Alright, 506, 646.
I think it's mad, yeah.
Alright, we got 2 more flash bags. Alright, next 506, 646. 644.
Get to the biggest, best gun, you're like, AB4986.
Right here. Okay.
Yeah. Had you guys come up first before that.
Alright,
Dude, it's fine.
moving
We're
on.
good, trust me.
We've got
We're
revision
yes.
goggles. These are the Desert Locust revision goggles. Say,
You deserve it. You owe it to
lucky
yourself.
number
You owe it to yourself.
506-397. 397.
Possible.
Pair of Desert
I mean, what
Locust
can we push?
revision. 506-396. 396. 396. All right, next up, we got G-code holsters. All right.
Got this on camera.
That they have. So you've got the drop leg, the H, and then just the regular belt, and then a patch and a sticker. All right, lucky number 506. 535. 535.
Mistakes, Rick!
All right. Okay, next up, we got a pair of Falcon pants. I think yes, the Zulu tactical pants.
Fancy. Super fancy. That's what makes the deal.
506-699.